Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1383, and today's topic is about the secret language of nail, and that is nail cirrhosis is a type of chronic inflammation, and it gives the indication that is called nail color, and of course texture, its brittleness, and lot of other different colors are involved, and I call it as the language of our body, and it is the language of our nail that will indicate that you have some serious health condition. Once you are suffering from nail cirrhosis, the word cirrhosis itself is clear indication that you are suffering from inflammation under the nail, your muscles, blood vessels, and the skin is already under chronic inflammation, and because of that your nail is totally damaged, brittle, and it has changed its color, and it is high time. Once that condition is there, it shows that you are suffering from that inflammation, and you must contact the dermatologist or anybody who is a specialist in skincare for health, so that further deterioration is not there. Also, these colors, they indicate about your organ like kidney, like liver, blood circulation, thyroid gland, hypothyroidism. All these are indicated from the different color appearance of the nail. For example, if your nail is yellowish in color, it indicates around blood circulation, means either poor blood circulation, or anemic condition, means iron deficiency. If it is bluish purple color, again it indicates that there is again some problem of blood circulation to your heart. You might be having some heart problem. And if it is dark yellowish color, it shows that the sugar metabolism is not proper and you are suffering from diabetic condition. If your nail is pale, it indicates that thyroid gland is not properly functioning. If on nail you have some white spots, it indicates that your body is having deficiency of zinc. If some bands are appearing, that again indicates that there may be some problem of blood circulation, and also some deficiency. So all these languages, I call it, are very clear indication that you have lot of health conditions. And once you see all these languages, or I can say all these indications, by changing of texture, becoming brittle, then coming out of the skin, becoming very poor, thickness is reduced, and also different color is changing, all are associated with different type of diseases and organs. So I'm going to show you one by one. This is very clear image and indication or language of nail that the person is suffering from nail cirrhosis, means inflammation is there, and that inflammation is very clearly indicated by seeing the nail condition. It is decolorized and it is brittle, and its color is little bit brownish and yellow, and it is rough surface. It indicates that he or she is suffering from nail cirrhosis. it is too late. It's chronic condition of nail cirrhosis where the nail is having depression, cracking, breaking, and the color is very dark brown. So it is a very, very extreme condition, and definitely it looks like that the person has not taken care of skin cirrhosis, and it may lead to some other damage below the nail, that is in the skin and blood circulation. So we should not allow the condition to reach up to this level. If this yellow coloration is appearing in your nail and you have noticed, you should consult your doctor. It indicates that there is sugar metabolism problem in your body, means they are not fully broken down into energy, and you are on the road of pre-diabetic condition or diabetic condition. It is purple or light blue color nail. Once it appears, it is serious condition, means you have blood circulation problem, and because of that problem your heart is not properly pumping and your fingertips are not getting enough blood, and you have to consult your family doctor to understand whether it is some cardiac problem or blood circulation problem. If it is light pale yellowish color, it's very clear indication that he or she is suffering from anemic condition and there is anemia, and you should consult your doctor. If in finger you get this type of brown streak, it clearly indicates is a language that you have blood vessel problem. Somewhere maybe some restriction, or maybe your blood vessel is not having elasticity or rigid, then such type of brown streak or band is appearing on the surface of the nail. It is dark brown streak, or we can say broad band appearing on the surface of the nail, is the clear indication that your blood vessel is having problem. You consult your doctor. If you see on the upper surface of the nail some white patches, white color, not shining color, is dull white spots, it clearly indicates that there is deficiency of zinc element in your body. So you should increase such type of supplement or multivitamin which is rich in zinc, or you take such type of food which is the rich source of zinc. If such problem of texture, structure of the nail is there, which clearly indicates that you have the problem of thyroid gland and you are suffering from hyper or hypothyroidism, and you should consult your family doctor. If your nail is having such type of decoloration and is very brittle, dryness all around, is clear indication that your kidney is under pressure. Sometimes your kidney is not properly functioning. Better to go and consult nephrologist or urologist. So the change of nail texture, shape, brittleness, color is all the language of body, and it shows that we have some health conditions. So number one, nail cirrhosis is a condition where the immune system attacks healthy skin cells. Actually, all these conditions, what we are facing, whether it is skin or nail, is all associated to your immune system. Once your immune response is abnormal and it starts attacking your normal skin cells, then definitely you will be having inflammation. And that inflammation, if it is linked to your skin and nail, it is called nail cirrhosis, causing inflammation and changing in the nail texture, color. And it can affect both fingernails as well as toenails. And number 2, symptoms of nail cirrhosis. Number 1, pitting. There will be some depression and some rough surface, that is called pitting. Pit will be formed, small pits or depressions on the surface of the nail. Number 2, nail discoloration, means changes in nail color such as brown, yellow, blue and white. Number 3, that is crumbly texture. Crumbly texture means when your nail becomes brittle. Nail may become brittle and crumbly. And number 4, nail separation. And once inflammation becomes so chronic that sometimes your nail will be separated from your skin. So the nail may separate from the nail bed. And number 3, treatment of nail cirrhosis. 1, topical treatment. Topical treatment means you use skincare products, means some ointment, some cream, some moisturizer, so that it is not dehydrated, it is always with some oily material, so that will take care of these things. Number 2 is that is light therapy. There are some specific wavelengths that is applied to control the nail cirrhosis. And then medication. You have to take some anti-inflammatory injections, or there are a lot of anti-inflammatory drugs available. They are non-steroidal in nature. On that, if you keep, you will be okay. And sometimes these conditions are due to fungal growth also. So antifungal drugs are also very much useful, but only after diagnosis by a dermatologist or those who are dealing with such type of health care. And then nail trimming. Nail trimming is very important. Don't allow nail to grow long, because that is the space provided for a lot of microorganisms to settle down, and it may cause inflammation or some bacterial viral attack. Number 4, that is nail color diagnosis. On the basis of color, you can understand your organs and your disease. For example, 1, yellow nail. If your nail is becoming yellow, it clearly indicates that you are suffering either from diabetic condition, or fungal growth, or sometimes it indicates you have some liver problem. Number 2, white spots. White spots on the nail clearly indicates that you have zinc deficiency and you go for some supplementation. Then number 3, blue purple color. Blue purple color means it is poor blood circulation that may lead to your heart problem. So once that condition comes, better you consult your family doctor. Then number 4, brown streak. You have seen the brown streak or some band, broad band. That clearly indicates that you have the problem of blood vessels. Either your blood vessels are not that much elastic, or some maybe there is some formation of some rough lining, or some thrombose appearance is there, means the blood circulation is not normal. That is blood vessel problem. Number 5, pale nail. Pale nail means light yellowish color, clearly indicates that it is liver problem. Brittle nail and texture is changed, it shows that kidney is in problem. And then changes in texture of the nail and also growth, that clear indication that your thyroid gland is not properly working. Either you are suffering from hypo or hyperthyroidism. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.